Welcome to Voomo, the most original blockchain dApp system ever. The new multiple matrix smart contract gives a chance to everyone to create his own passive income. How's that possible? Simple. Voomo has 4 forms of income which work concurrently. 2 of them are dedicated to those who want to grow a personal structure and achieve huge profits with their commitment. They are called Manual X3 and Manual X4. The other 2 were designed for those who cannot create their personal structure and wish big profits. They are called Auto X3 and Auto X4. The users become part of a global system that will bring them a lifetime income. These automatic systems will be accessible when you invite the first referral under your structure. Remember, when you bring one referral, it can be placed in all the 4 systems under your structure. Let's see how the systems work together. 0.1 Ethereum is divided into 4 equal parts. The first, 0.025 ETH, goes to the Manual X3. To complete this matrix, it's required to have just 3 referrals that will become your personal line. The first 2 referrals will be your direct profit, and the third will become the renew of the current level. You will earn more times thanks to the renewal of your first 2 referrals. The second 0.025 ETH goes to the Manual X4. To complete and earn from this matrix, you need to have just 2 referrals who themselves will bring 2 referrals each. The income from your first 2 referrals, which are your first line, goes to your upline, becoming his profit. In your second line, the first 3 referrals are your direct profit, and the fourth will be the renew of the current level. You will earn more times when your first 3 referrals in your second line will have their structures completed. The third, 0.025 ETH, goes to the Auto X3. To complete this matrix, it's required to have just 3 referrals in your first line. These referrals occur thanks to the automatic filling system. The first 2 referrals will allow you auto upgrade, and the third will become the renew of the current level. You will earn when the first 2 referrals of your downline have their structures completed. The last 0.025 ETH goes to the Auto X4. To complete this matrix, it's necessary to have 2 completed lines. The first line is composed by 2 referrals and the second by 4. The latest will allow you to earn and level up in an automatic way. The first 2 referrals of your second downline will be your auto upgrade. The third will be your direct profit, and the fourth will be the renew of the current level. You will earn more times when your first 3 referrals on your second line will have their structures completed. The future is around the corner. Join Voomo.io and create your passive income now.